NNE stock analysis for Tuesday and onwards. What I'm doing here, just breaking down my exact play and everything. Nano Nuclear Energy is already 34 bucks 43 cents, and honestly it's a bullish market for me. Like how this is exactly going to look like is I started seeing double breaks in this sort of way, and let me just mark on this top. Yeah, this is so decent, man. Like my targets are obviously 37.23, and if this doesn't pull down and if it does not give me any sort of shift, I'm obviously not going to buy, really. So ultimately speaking, there you go. All I'm doing in the meantime is I'm waiting. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10k per month trading, just click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated. I mean, I'm sure I have some previous NNE receipts here. Yes, I have like one result here, which is very decent. So goodbye and enjoy, and I'll keep you updated. See ya.